Hello, my lovely kids. Today we are going to draw and color gift bag. So get ready with your crayons, drawing file, black sketch pen and scale. Students, first you have to write down here today's date and day here. And here we will write today's topic, that is gift pack. Now take a sketch pen and a scale. Keep the scale here and draw a line of 9 centimeter. 0 to 9 centimeter. Now take a margin of 2 centimeter. 0 to 2. Again draw a line of 9 centimeter. Now join these lines like this. Now you have to take a margin of 0.5 from both sides. 0.5 from here and 0.5 from here. Now draw a line from this point of 7 centimeter. 0 to 7 centimeter. Draw a line of 7 centimeter here also. Now join these lines like this. Student, this line is of 8 centimeter and point a dot on 4 centimeter like this. Now draw a line. Now draw a line on this point like this. Move the scale a little bit forward and again draw a line like this. Now see, this line is of 7 centimeter. You have to mark a point on 3.5 centimeter like this and draw a line here like this. Move the scale little bit upwards and again draw a line like this. Now we will draw here bow. Look here. Gift pack is ready. Now we will do coloring. Take a yellow crayon and start coloring in this block. You have to color this side to side. First we will color boundaries like this. Now color inside the box. Do color very carefully. Now we will color in next box. Again we will do first boundaries. Now color inside. You have to color side to side as I am doing. Now we will color here. Again we will do first boundary. Now color inside. Now color here. Again we will do first boundaries. Now color inside. Now keep it aside and take red crayon and start coloring here. Again we will do first boundary. Now color inside. Now color here. Do it very carefully. Now color here. Now take blue crayon and start coloring here. First we will do boundaries. Do it very carefully. Now start coloring inside. See how beautiful it is looking. Now you have to do the same in your drawing file. Bye-bye.